Want to explore Grok AI's powerful chatbot features? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily download or access Grok AI on a PC. Let's get started. First, open up a browser. Any popular one like Chrome, Edge, or Safari works fine. Next, go to the official Grok AI website. Most versions of Grok run directly online, so you usually don't need to install anything extra. If you want Grok AI on mobile, you can download the app from the App Store or Google Play by searching for Grok AI. And that's it. Now you can start chatting with Grok AI directly from a PC or mobile device with just a few clicks. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.